the coefficient of x power n in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power n. Okay. Now, what do we want? We want the binomial expansion of this. And this is constant. We don't need to worry about it. We want to look at this one's expansion. So, what is that? 1 minus x whole power n. How would that go? 1 minus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square minus nc3 into x cube and so on, right? Plus in the end you will get minus 1 whole power n into x power n, right? Now, so the general term of this expansion is minus 1 whole power k nck x power k, right? This is the general term of this expansion, okay? Or the kth term. Okay. Now, how do you get the coefficient of x power n? The coefficient of x power n is obtained by considering two things. 1 minus x whole power n. I'm just expanding this, plus x times 1 minus x whole power n, right? So, in this, you take the coefficient of x power n. In this, take the coefficient of x power n minus 1. Since you are multiplying this with x, this will also become coefficient of x power n, right? So this is the thing you should notice. So from here, what you will get? You will get minus 1 whole power n into ncn into x power n plus what is the coefficient? X does not have anything here. Otherwise, we will multiply that, right? So x has 1 as its coefficient. So we can put 1 times minus 1 whole power n minus 1 ncn minus 1 x power n, or rather n minus 1 into x.
Uh, in that line, coefficient of x to the power n. Okay, that second line. How did it get to that second line? This one.
From here to here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, very good. So what we are looking for is the coefficient of x power n. For example, suppose you have only 1 plus x whole power 2, and you are asked what is the coefficient of x square. Then what you will do? You will only look at the coefficient of x square here, right? Suppose I tell you that I do not want the coefficient of x square. I want to have the coefficient of x square in this one, x cube in this. Suppose here similar thing. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am expanding this. This is 1 minus x square into 1 plus 1 minus x whole square, not square, whole square into x. Just expanded the 1 plus x there, right? Now from this I want to get the coefficient of x square. What would be the coefficient of x square? That would be coefficient of x square in this and coefficient of x in this multiplied by x. That will contribute to x square. Let us see. What is the expansion of 1 minus x whole square? That is 1 minus 2x plus x square into 1 plus 1 minus 2x plus x square into x. Right? This is the expansion of this. Now, what is the coefficient of x square in this entire thing? That is coefficient of x square here, which is 1, plus when you multiply this, what you will get? You will get x minus 2x square plus x cube. So the coefficient of x square in this is the coefficient of x in the expansion of this, right? Which is minus 2. So I end up with minus 1. Similarly, I got this from this by expanding. So I multiplied 1 with this plus multiplied x with this. This gives me coefficient of x power n, and in this I want to consider the coefficient of x power n minus 1. Is that understood?
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So coefficient of x power n is this. Coefficient of x power n minus 1 is this. So that would be minus 1 whole power n into NCN is 1 plus minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into NCN minus 1 is n minus 1. That is, you take minus 1 whole power n common, 1 plus, so minus 1 whole power n common, sorry, NCN minus 1 is n only, sorry. Minus 1 whole power n common if you take, then it will be minus 1, right? So your answer would be this. Is that understood?